what we're doing. So everything you're going to see today is a process. All right. I do not, in any sense, care whether your numbers are right or not. I don't. I want to see how you lay things out. Okay. Now, the I'm going to do a bit more of a detailed introduction. So, what I'm going to talk about first of all is the keywords in today's session. Keywords are words that are in your formulas, in your revision guide, in your textbooks, or words that I've taught you. And the keywords that we're going to be looking at today, if we look at the formulas above there, are force, mass, oopsie daisy, acceleration, G, which actually stands for gravity. You've got K, this is a constant. We've got energy, we've got velocity. Now, all these keywords you will find in these formulas, right? They're all there, okay? And this is what you must do, and it is really important. So I'm going to go through question 1, all right? And I really want you to think how I'm doing it. So, this part of calculations is so important to me that I've actually put it massively here. You must lay out your working out properly. Must. It's got to be laid out properly. As I said, I don't care about your numbers. I don't care about your answer. Now, if you do a calculation and it's right, I don't care. As long as you show me step by step what you've done. Okie dokie. So first things first, you underline the keywords. Take your time, look at my list. I don't care what you do in terms of, if you need to look at work we've done previously, if you need to look at my keywords, doesn't matter, that I've written down. A toy car of mass, 0.5 kilograms, accelerates at 2 meters per second squared. Calculate the force, all right, needed to move it. I've got 3 keywords: mass, acceleration, and force. When I look at my formulas, there it is: force, mass, and acceleration. Step 1, write out your formula. F equals ma. Your next question, the next thing you're thinking about is, what am I doing with these two? Am I dividing them? Am I adding them? If there is nothing written here, it means times. Next step, F equals m times a. It's really funny. You get 1 mark for writing that. At this point now, because there's no add, there's no take away, there's no divide, that means times. F equals m times a. So I'm going to use a kind of word here, and it's rather important. After this point, I will substitute my values in. Okay. F is what I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find my force. That was the key word here, force. Calculate the force. I don't know what it is. I am trying to calculate it. That's the command word. That's called a command word. My mass is 0.5 kilograms. Well, hey, I want to substitute 0.5. Apologies for the massive vibration. Some guys are working on the roads down there. F equals 0.5. Your mass is 0.5 times A, which is acceleration, 2 meters per second. I do not care if you can do this in your head. Use a calculator. Right? I don't care where you're getting it from. I really don't. Use a calculator. Oh, look at that. Calculator. All right, use one. Put it in there. F equals MA. 0.5 times 2. F equals 2 newtons. All right. Oh no, am I not showing my screen again? Oopsie. I'm not. All right, I've just recorded that. So what I've done is I've recorded